Hi, I'm Joseph Wong, and this is part 2 of my storytelling series explaining why you should use storytelling as much as you can if you wish to win over any audience. Whenever someone bothers to show up to listen to you, they are investing their time on you. So the very least you must do in return is to give the audience value for their investment. Value in its lowest form is the usefulness or worth of what they receive from spending time listening to you. And the surest way to put worth into your subject matter is to turn it into a problem your audience cares about and then solving it together. Let me give you an example. If you're promoting a particular air purifier, compare these two ways of presenting your promotion. The first way, talk about what this air purifier can do. Improve indoor air quality, absorb cooking smells, prevent household dust from settling on the floors and furniture. These are important, but are you moved to find out more? Let's see how this plays out when I turn the subject matter into a problem. Is the health of your family important to you? Do you know that there are harmful airborne pollutants and allergens circulating in your home every moment of every day? Do you know these pollutants and allergens can cause sneezing, congestion, and even asthma in your children and your elderly? What I've done is turn the predictable, selling the features of an air purifier, into a problem. How to ensure your children and elderly do not suffer congestion and asthma at home. By creating a problem to solve, your audience becomes more interested in what you are presenting. And so, once we turn our topic into a problem we know the audience faces, they are more interested in what you are presenting. This also shapes what stories we tell in our presentation. Remember, present everything as a problem to solve. See you in part 3, where I will show you how to make your audience emotionally invested in your talk.